Do you think you're too old to start an online business? Maybe you feel technology has passed you by. But what if your age isn't a disadvantage? What if it's actually your greatest advantage? One of the biggest myths about online business is that you need to be a tech expert. Many people over 50 believe they can't succeed online because they didn't grow up with computers. But that's simply not true. You don't need to know coding. You don't need expensive software. And you definitely don't need to be a social media expert. What you do need is a willingness to learn. Think about everything you've learned throughout your life. Your career, your hobbies, your skills, your life experiences. These are valuable. Someone out there is looking for the knowledge you already have. And the internet allows you to share that knowledge with people around the world. There are many simple ways to start an online business. Affiliate marketing allows you to recommend products and earn commissions. You can create digital products such as ebooks or guides. You can offer coaching or consulting. You can start a blog, create videos, or even open a simple online store. The key is choosing one path and focusing on it. Many beginners try to do everything at once. They create accounts on every social media platform. They build complicated websites. They buy expensive tools. And then they become overwhelmed. Instead, keep it simple. Choose one audience, one offer, and one marketing method. Master that first.
Online success doesn't happen overnight. Some people see results in weeks. Others take months. But consistency beats perfection. Small actions taken every day can create remarkable results over time. The people who succeed are often not the smartest. They're simply the ones who don't quit.
If you've been thinking about starting an online business, don't let age hold you back. Your experience matters. Your knowledge matters. And your next chapter may be more exciting than you imagine. Visit marketingforolderfolks.com to learn more and discover simple ways to start your online business journey today.